Hello everyone. We are on a not quite midnight but very late night ride to Safeway because I want ice cream and nothing is delivering. So we are gonna ride, I think it's about a mile, I want to say, to Safeway at 10 o'clock at night so I can get my ice cream. One thing I will say is my bike headlight sucks. Hopefully I do get there before they close, but they close at midnight, so it should be fine. What's nice is Safeway is not a very long ride. Just have to turn right at this light. And then down the road. It's the fun section because it's all downhill. And it's gonna suck going up. It's going back, it's all uphill. And I missed my walk cycle. Oh well. There we go. So that shouldn't slide around as much. Thankfully, these crosswalks do talk to you, which is nice. Whoa. Wet brake still. Despite there being a crosswalk right here, that bit of the sidewalk doesn't have a drop down, which is very annoying. It means you have to jump off the curb. And here we are. We have made it. One last road to cross. Okay. Time to lock up. Oh, we are here inside of Safeway. Making our way to the ice cream aisle. That is literally all I came here for. Some delicious ice cream. You know what? I'm gonna grab a basket. Basket is acquired, as well as some cherry Pepsi. Okay, we are back in the ice cream aisle with the basket. Let's see, where is nice Tillamook ice cream? It's a stupid expensive ice cream, but it's really good. Hopefully they have it. It's not Tillamook, that's why. they don't have the other brand I'm looking for here. Interesting. Okay, so we ended up getting the Tillamook mudslide. But now I gotta figure out how to get those digital coupons because $3 is a lot of money. Okay, we got the deal clipped through Safeway's app and we're gonna go check out now. Alright, we are on our way out. Just gotta load it all up in the bike and then get going. Okay, and we are off again. On our way home now. Shouldn't be too bad of a ride. At least I hope. This stupid crosswalk again. You know, for as flat as Ellensburg is, it does suck to ride all the way across town, basically. Well, back at this intersection.
Wait. Cross University Way at Sprague Street. Wait. University Way. Walk sign is on the cross. University Way.
And it's all uphill from here. Except not quite, but pretty much. Up to the last stoplight is all uphill. And from there it's a nice, easy ride home. Oh, nice, automatic lights. It's actually really nice. Less light pollution, but also when there's people walking or riding down the sidewalk, they have plenty of light when they need it. Just wish the sidewalk had more lights, but they're all on the other side. Which makes sense. That's where the campus is. Alright. On the final stretch. I am going to run a red light. Get onto the street. Mostly because I can get some pretty good speed going down here. I'm not worried about cars. Alright, I'm going to make one final turn. And we're home.